Hello, family, friends. How you doing out there? It's me, Lamarr. I'm your profit coach. Hey, listen here. I want to reach out to everybody. This is a very trying time for me and so many of our families and friends. But most and foremost, I really hope that wherever you are, you're safe, your family's safe, you guys are healthy, and able to find peace in the middle of this storm that we are facing here. Um, my prayers go out to the deceased out there that's losing their life right now from COVID to, the social justice disputes. Is senseless. It's senseless in both areas, and hopefully we can find a solution fast. That being said, I think a couple of things we have to look at when we come to change, and I think we're having a deep conversation across the world, not just America. It's easy to see the fire that's going on here, but I think across the world you have so many countries that's engaged in this conversation, and one of the conversations coming up is about social justice, and I think that's important to build off of. But as we talk about social justice, another pillar for change that has to come is social economics. You have to have both of them, all right? And you can't be strong in one area and be weak in the other. It just won't work to have the change that we need to have happen. And I was really conflicted today about doing, my workshop, but I think there's no better time to talk about it right now. Here we are. Now in my county, we have a curfew, so we can't go out there and do some of the things that we normally would kind of navigate and do because of the curfew. So I'm like, most people across the United States is having this curfew, and this is a time where we can't really participate in really thorough social justice changes, but we can learn and educate ourselves about social economics. And I think that's kind of where we can actually strengthen ourselves, and is coming to a workshop like this. Listen, the reason why you put your money in 401ks, 403bs, things like that, because you put it in the market because you know it works. But this is a time for you now to take control and get in the driver's seat of your social economic growth. Stop depending on these companies that don't care anything about you. It is time for you to be wise and start learning how to move your money around to where you can get the growth that you deserve, and not what people tell you you're going to get. All right. And that being said, the workshop, don't worry about it. It's not a salesy call. It's an area where a lot of Q&A happens and a lot of growth happens. You don't have to worry about bringing out your pocketbook or anything like that. You get to meet people across the nation that actually have some great information. And I'm saying this, I challenge you. It's now time to take a step in economic growth, and you be in the driver's seat. Don't let anybody else get in that driver's seat for you. You do it for yourself. All right. You don't have to be super smart. You do have to be disciplined. If you can meet that qualification, and also be willing to learn, I think you can accomplish exactly what you want to accomplish financially in this country. All right. That being said, guys, you continue being safe, and I hope to see you on this workshop today and the workshops there to come. All right. I believe that we should always tackle social justice, but I also believe that we should also tackle social economic growth. And there's no better time to do it in the present. All right. Hey, guys, I love you. Hope to see you soon, and you have a peaceful and blessed day. All right. Talk to you later. See you at the back. Bye-bye.